Today, here at Satori Graphics, I've got a challenge for you guys and a chance to win some graphic design goodies for free. What is up people, welcome back to Satori Graphics, the home of graphic design content right here on YouTube. So today something a bit different and a way to give back to you guys, as well as have some fun in the process. I'm going to give away 2 digital downloads from my website. Also, this channel has basically hit 24,000 subscribers, and I promised that when I hit 25,000, I'm going to do a big giveaway, and that's still going to go ahead, so expect that later this month. But anyway, I'm going to tell you guys how you can have some fun and maybe win some digital downloads in the process. So I'm going to reward 2 people, each winning 2 digital downloads from my website of their choice. Let me show you guys how the clipper mask works in Illustrator first. The object you want to have the effect on needs to be brought to the front of all layers like so. Then you select everything and you can either right click and choose clipping mask, or you can go up to object and create clipper mask. You don't have to use typography for your design, you can make anything you want to enter this challenge. Just get creative and have some fun with it. The only criteria is that you use a clipper mask. I will choose 2 people who can wow me with their design and the use of a clipper mask in Illustrator. To enter, you need to upload your design to either Instagram or Twitter using the hashtag #MaskSatori. I will pick and announce the 2 winners on Monday, so good luck and have a great weekend. Until next time, design your future today. Peace.